my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we're going to learn how to make this penguin ornament, or it can be used as a gift tag. So you're going to need a square sheet of paper. This is 6 inches by 6 inches, and this is also double-sided, so it's black on one side and white on the other side. The first thing you want to do is you want to flip it around so that the black or the color side is facing down, and then you're going to fold the entire thing in half diagonally. Now let's unfold, and we're going to rotate it a little bit. And now we're going to take this right side over here and make a little point right at the very top right there. And then fold it at a diagonal. You can fold it as much or as little as you want. We're just working on the flipper here. Do the same thing on the other side, so I'm going to rotate it. Make sure we have a nice sharp point right over here. And then crease it in. After that, we want to work on the flipper, so I'm going to make this little decoration right here. So all that involves is folding that straight up, creasing it in, and then folding it straight down again. So just a little zigzag. Now let's do the exact same thing on this side. So we're going to fold straight up and then straight back down. After that, let's take the entire thing and do a book fold. So we're going to fold in half just like a book. Now let's take this top part over here and we're going to fold it at a diagonal. So we're going to bring it towards us like that. Fold it at a diagonal and we're going to create this long sort of head, I guess. Crease that in. And then we're going to unfold. Now let's open it up from the side, and using these two pre-existing creases, so the one on the left and the one on the right, we're going to reverse the fold. So we're just going to fold it straight down this way. I'm going to do a mountain fold right here. So give it a little pinch. Do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to fold it back in half again, just like this. And then flatten at the top. So now this entire portion over here is going to be black. After that, let's take this and we're going to fold it back just a little bit. So this is where the head is. And then we're going to fold it straight out again to create the bill. So again, it's like a little zigzag. Now let's open it up from the bottom. And we're going to use our pre-existing creases. So we have one over here that we just did. We're going to fold that in. Just following the pre-existing creases. And then there's a crease over here, so we're going to fold that out. Let's turn it to the side and then squish it. So now we have the penguin's head and the bill complete. So now let's work on the web feet area. So you're going to take this, make sure it is parallel to, I guess, yourself. And then we're going to bring it over to the left. And if you want a fat penguin, you could just fold a little less and it'll be a little fatter. But I think I'm going to fold it right about here. Crease that in. And then you want to take this and bring it out again. So we're going to bring this tip just slightly out a little bit so that it sticks out past this side. And this is going to be the feet. Let's unfold. And now we're going to use this pre-existing crease. And we're going to open up the penguin. And we're going to fold along those creases that we just made. So this one here and this one here. I'm going to fold it back. Just like that. And then squish. And so from the side, it should look like this. It should have a little thing sticking out on the left side. So now let's go back, open it back up, and we have this crease as well. So this one and this one. We're going to fold this the other way. Just like this. And then we're going to squash it. So from the bottom, it should look like this. And from the side, you have your completed penguin. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece of ribbon and just fold it in half. You can use tape if you want, but I'm going to use a glue stick. So grab some glue, dab it to the end of the ribbon. And because this penguin is so lightweight, you don't really need a lot of glue, so you can just open it up from the side, stick it wherever you want. I like it right about here. And then glue it in place. And your origami penguin gift tag / ornament is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this origami penguin ornament. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be alerted when new crafty fun videos come out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!